For homeowners in Orange Park, managing energy costs is a year-round priority. With humid summers and occasional chilly winters, your home's doors play a bigger role in energy performance than you might think. Drafty, outdated doors let conditioned air escape and allow outside temperatures to creep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is not just about comfort, it's also a smart financial investment that delivers long-term savings. Lower monthly utility bills. The most immediate benefit of installing energy-efficient doors is reduced utility costs. Traditional doors often lack proper insulation and tight seals, leading to energy waste. In Orange Park's hot climate, that means your air conditioner runs constantly to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern energy-efficient doors are built with insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and materials that minimize heat transfer. By keeping cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter, they ease the workload on your HVAC system. The result? Noticeably lower monthly energy bills that add up to significant savings over time. Protection against drafts and leaks. Even small gaps around a door frame can have a big impact on your energy use. Drafts allow conditioned air to escape while letting in humidity and outdoor heat. This not only increases your energy costs but also makes certain rooms uncomfortable. Energy-efficient doors, when installed professionally, create an airtight seal that blocks drafts and prevents leaks. For Orange Park homeowners, this means consistent indoor comfort and reduced strain on heating and cooling systems, further extending long-term savings. Reduced HVAC maintenance and replacement costs. When your HVAC system runs harder due to energy loss through inefficient doors, it experiences more wear and tear. Over time, this leads to more frequent repairs and a shorter system lifespan. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you reduce the demand on your HVAC system, helping it operate smoothly and last longer. This translates into fewer repair bills and delayed replacement costs, both of which save you money in the long run. Increased durability and lifespan of doors. Old wooden doors may warp, crack, or deteriorate in Orange Park's humid climate, leading to costly repairs or replacements. Energy-efficient doors are made from durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood composites, designed to withstand local weather conditions without losing performance. Because these doors last longer, you avoid the recurring expense of replacing worn-out doors every few years. A one-time investment in energy-efficient doors ensures decades of reliable use and ongoing savings. Added home value and market appeal. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's buyers. By investing in energy-efficient doors, you're not only saving money now but also boosting your home's resale value. A potential buyer in Orange Park will view your home as more modern, comfortable, and cost-effective, which can translate into a higher selling price. This resale advantage is part of the long-term financial savings many homeowners overlook, but it can pay off significantly if you decide to move in the future. Year-round comfort means lower hidden costs. Inconsistent indoor temperatures often lead homeowners to rely on space heaters, extra fans, or dehumidifiers. While these may seem like small additions, their energy usage adds up over time. Energy-efficient doors eliminate drafts, regulate humidity, and stabilize temperatures, reducing the need for these extra appliances. That means more hidden savings on electricity bills month after month. Conclusion: a smart investment that pays off. Energy-efficient doors offer far more than just a stylish upgrade for your Orange Park home. They deliver immediate and long-term savings through lower utility bills, reduced HVAC costs, increased durability, and added home value. By making the switch now, you're investing in comfort, sustainability, and financial peace of mind for years to come. For Orange Park homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest decisions you can make, an investment that not only pays for itself but continues to save money long into the future.